Hi everyone, this is the preview of my project, so let's get started. So I'm using here watercolor paper, then I'm using the brush, adding some water, and I'm using watercolor paints which are from Angora, and I was using this palette for some other project, and there was some leftover paint, so I'm using that in this. Now I'm using this distress oxide watercolor pencil. I'm going to blend both together and add in this. So I'm adding some water and blending it together. I like the texture from watercolor, but you can still use distress oxide sprays or um, acrylic inks. You can use any of those. But I like the texture which comes out from the watercolor. Um, that is like a little different from that. So I'm just spreading it out a little bit. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way you will get to see all my videos as I post it. So now I'm going to dry everything before going for the next step. Now I'm using this Neo color crayons, and I'm doing the mark making just little bit here and there. Then I'm going to use this pencil and scribble little bit in the background. This is like a Derwent pencil. Then I'm using this black, no, it's a silver color pen, silver ink pen, and I'm going to do the doodling. So it gives little bit of shine. Now I'm going to use this stencil, and then I'm going to use black acrylic paint, and I'm going to dab it on that. So this stencil has lots of designs. So this we can use it for a lot of other projects also um, in the future. So now I'm going to use the black ink pen, then add some more dots. So the pen I had to change it because I think because of the paint, sometimes the pen doesn't work, so I had to use Posca pen, and then putting those dots. Now I'm going to heat everything. Then I'm using this white pen and do some markings. I don't think you can see very clearly here, but I think it will be clear on the close-up pictures. Now I'm going to add some more stamps. These are like stripe stamps. Now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm going to keep this as a focal point and add this small flower to give some extra color. Now I'm going to use the glue and adhere this focal point. I'm going to add alphabet or number stamp just to give an extra texture in the background. Then I forgot to splatter, so I'm using white paint and splattering on the top before I finish it. Now I'm going to heat everything. Then I'm going to add the coat and finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and turn the notification on. Then you can leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.